Fatty liver explained through real experience. This title is not a guarantee. It reflects what I learned the hard way. Start supporting liver health today. My fatty liver story did not begin with pain. It began with silence, normal days, normal eating, and a routine I never questioned. The diagnosis came unexpectedly during a routine scan, and it felt confusing because I felt mostly fine, according to the National Institutes of Health (NIH). Fatty liver often develops without clear symptoms. That fact explained everything. This was not a sudden problem. It was a slow accumulation. My habits were quietly shaping it. Frequent refined carbs, late-night eating, minimal movement, and chronic stress. The liver stores excess energy when intake exceeds demand. Mayo Clinic explains, fat accumulation in liver cells is strongly linked to insulin resistance. Once I understood the mechanism, panic disappeared, focus replaced it. Simplified science. The liver manages glucose and fat. When overwhelmed, fat storage increases. Improving insulin sensitivity allows the liver to release stored fat. This process is gradual, not instant. The first change was food timing. Late meals stopped. Giving the liver rest overnight improved metabolic signaling. The World Health Organization, who highlights meal timing as a metabolic factor. Sugar awareness followed, not elimination, but reduction. Liquid sugars were the main issue, not whole foods. Fiber became essential. Fiber slows glucose absorption and supports gut-liver communication. Studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition associate fiber intake with improved liver markers. Practical approach: vegetables at every meal. Healthy fats mattered. Olive oil replaced refined oils. Polyphenols support liver oxidative balance. European Journal of Nutrition links olive oil to liver fat reduction trends. Movement was non-negotiable. Not intense workouts, just daily walking. Movement improves insulin sensitivity, allowing fat mobilization. NIP publications support physical activity for liver health. What did not help? Extreme detox ideas, skipping meals under stress, supplement overload. These increase strain instead of relief. Important clarification: results vary by condition and health. Alcohol intake, medications, and genetics matter. Moderation is essential. Short safety reminder: consult a doctor before changes. Possible side effects: temporary fatigue during adjustment. This usually stabilizes how I tracked progress. Blood markers, energy levels, waist measurement, monthly review, not daily stress. Improvement was steady, not dramatic. This journey taught me responsibility, not fear. Liver health improves when daily signals improve. Final message: support the liver consistently. If this story helped, engage with the video naturally, like, comment, and stay mindful.